Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. Join us for easy, profitable DIY woodworking ideas, tips, and tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with the latest craft inspiration. Start your creative journey today and turn simple materials into beautiful, market-ready projects. Subscribe now and get inspired. Ensures your garden remains attractive, functional, and inviting in every season. If you're new to woodworking and eager to create beautiful, profitable crafts, you're in the right place. Woodworking can be both fun and rewarding, offering endless possibilities for home decor, gifts, and functional items. Our goal is to guide beginners step by step so you can start your DIY journey with confidence. Whether you want to craft small decorative pieces or larger furniture, understanding basic design principles and measurements is essential for success. The first step in any woodworking project is planning your design. Start by sketching your idea on paper, considering the size, style, and purpose of your craft. Keep it simple at first. Clean lines and basic shapes are easier to execute and perfect for beginners. Use free or affordable design tools online to help visualize your project before cutting any wood. Remember, a clear plan saves time and reduces material waste, making your project more profitable in the long run. Measurement accuracy is the backbone of successful woodworking. Always use a good quality ruler, measuring tape, and square to mark your cuts precisely. Double-check your measurements before making any cuts or joins. For beginners, learning to read measurement markings correctly and understanding units like inches and centimeters is crucial. Accurate measurements ensure your pieces fit together perfectly, giving your final product a professional look. Choosing the right wood type is vital for durability and aesthetics. Softwoods like pine are ideal for beginners because they are lightweight, affordable, and easy to work with. Hardwoods such as oak or maple are more durable but require more tools and experience. For profitable projects, consider sourcing recycled or reclaimed wood, which reduces costs and appeals to eco-conscious customers. Properly selecting wood can make your projects both cost-effective and high quality. Cutting wood accurately is an essential skill for any DIY woodworker. Always measure twice before making a cut, and use a sharp saw suited for your project, whether it's a hand saw, jigsaw, or circular saw. Safety is paramount. Wear protective gear and work in a clean, organized space. Practice cutting straight lines and angles on scrap wood before working on your main project. Precision in cutting leads to better fitting pieces and a professional finish. Sanding and finishing give your project a polished look. Start with medium grit sandpaper to smooth rough surfaces, then move to finer grits for a sleek finish. Sanding removes splinters and prepares the wood for staining or painting. For a professional appearance, apply a protective coat of varnish, lacquer, or paint. Finishing touches enhance the durability and aesthetic appeal of your crafts, increasing their market value. Sanding and finishing give your project a polished look. Start with medium grit sandpaper to smooth rough surfaces, then move to finer grits for a sleek finish. Sanding removes splinters and prepares the wood for staining or painting. For a professional appearance, apply a protective coat of varnish, lacquer, or paint. Finishing touches enhance the durability and aesthetic appeal of your crafts, increasing their market value. Designing for profit involves understanding your target market. Create trendy, functional, and customizable items that appeal to your customers. Small decor items like picture frames, shelves, or plant holders require minimal materials but sell well. Keep your designs simple yet stylish, and focus on quality. Pricing your projects correctly, considering material costs and labor, ensures your woodworking venture remains profitable and sustainable. Marketing your woodworking crafts is just as important as making them. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your work. Take high-quality photos in good lighting, and tell the story behind each piece. Offer customization options to attract more buyers. Participating in local craft fairs or markets can also boost your visibility. Building a brand around your crafts helps establish trust and increases sales opportunities. Finally, practice regularly and learn from each project. Mistakes are part of the learning process. They teach you better techniques and improve your skills. Keep experimenting with new designs, tools, and finishes. As your confidence grows, so will your capacity to create more complex and profitable woodworking projects. Remember, patience and persistence are key. With dedication, Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub hopes to support you on your profitable DIY woodworking journey. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. We truly appreciate your support and encouragement. If you enjoyed our content, please subscribe to stay updated with new DIY woodworking projects, tips, and inspiration. Your subscription helps us grow and continue sharing creative ideas. Thanks again for being part of our community.